I'm Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Well, will you? Okay. Everything you eat tastes amazing. But you lose all your teeth. My teeth are my money makers. Whoa! 979 didn't press. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woohoo! Xbox Live, PSN, and Nintendo Switch online services are now free for all players, but you will constantly be interrupted by unskippable 2-minute long advertisements during gameplay. No. Woohoo! 376 didn't press. What? You get $1 million in cash, but you will only be able to spend $5 a day. No. Minority 2,466 versus 2,763. I guess a lot of people would rather have the money and be able to dive into a swimming pool of coins like Scrooge McDuck. Be able to have one wish, but someone close to you dies. Yeah. Hey. They either die now or die later. It's all equal. You can grow a unibrow and or a mustache instantly, but when you do, your friends do too. I don't find unibrows attractive, so. Ooh, close. 1 vote difference, but I'm in the minority. One other person likes unibrows. You have as much money as you wish, and you don't have to pay taxes, but all of your family dies, your favorite singer dies, and every single person on earth wants you dead. No, that's stupid. Woohoo! Vast majority, 396. Yeah. Okay. You become, I did this question, but I'll do it again. You become the most beautiful person in the world, but your IQ drops 50 points. I like my IQ the way it is, thank you. Woohoo! Majority 190. You get to design your dream house in any country. Hello, Spain. But you never get to visit another house ever again. Sure. Minority. I guess people like visiting other people's houses. Shut up, son. Harambe gets revived, but he smokes you in 1 versus 1 in Call of Duty. I don't know who Harambe is. Apparently I've been living under a rock, but actually oh, I think Harambe is a little boy. Of course he's a little boy, and if he can smoke me after in Call of Duty after being dead, good for him. I'll let him. I'm more than willing. 142. Oh no. 140 versus 93. Majority again. You can have sex with anyone you want, but anyone can have sex with you. Sure. Orgies! You will be considered the most interesting person to everyone you know, but everyone hates you for it. I think there's something skewed with that logic, but I'd say no. Woohoo! Woohoo! 380. Didn't press. You are extremely rich, but you have a chronic cold that will never go away. Fuck no. If I have a cold all the time, I can't enjoy being rich. Be flawless, but everybody falls in love with you. Yeah, that's another silly question. 324. Woohoo! Majority. You will be the only person allowed to have an illegal animal as a pet, but this means you will never be able to live with the people you love or have friends over. I'm happy having legal animals, like a dog. And I can have friends over. But I never do! Okay. You are the sexiest man or woman alive. AKA Hendrik. But you must hear the rude sandstorm every day. No. Ooh, close, another close one, but I'm too minority. Two more people press the button. Who is it? Who is it? You have a lifetime membership for watching Netflix and iFlix, but you'll have no money. No. Woohoo! 953 didn't press. You play the game, you suddenly become very rich in the game. What game? In life you become poorer. No. Woohoo! 392 didn't press. You will have $100,000, but you will never be able to spend it. Sure, I'll leave it for my kids. You can date. You go on a date with anyone you want, including celebrities and fictional characters, but it will always be really awkward. Okay, I did this before, but my answer is still the same. In nearly all my interactions are awkward anyway. You get to make up a girlfriend or boyfriend and she comes to life, but girls keep trying to kill her because she's beautiful for the rest of your life. Think of the tension. Majority, slight majority. You can play Minecraft forever, but you have to live in Minecraft. No, I don't play much Minecraft. I played it once with my sister and her friends, but they kept blowing me up with TNT and not knowing what was happening, I said, did I win? Moving on. You can spell everything right, but you always, in any sentence, mispronounce a word. Well, you already failed because you didn't spell mispronounce right. But anyway, I spelling, like everything else, is a journey. You shouldn't just, boom, be able to. You can date anyone you want, and they will never cheat. But the zombie apocalypse happens 1 month later. Me and my date will survive because I will survive, and I will make sure that she does too. Never run out of money, but live only for 3 years. I did this one, but no. If you only live till 3 years old, you won't need money. Ha, loophole. Or something. Woohoo! 269 didn't press. I guess a lot of people figured that out too. Okay, last question. Be the richest human in the world, but you will lose 1 million cash each day. I don't want to be the richest in the world. Okay, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. Some days I'll sing. Oh, never mind that. Some days I'll sing. When June 30th hits in soon, that will be my last day of my spring schedule, and then I go into my summer schedule. Fun. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.